Hello and welcome to RGS Adding Ethics Forms. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through how to select and add the correct ethics form. Guidance on which forms to complete is provided here. Ethics application forms and documents can be added by any project member in the Applications tab within the Ethics Approval Active section. Select either the WA Health Ethics Application Form or WAHEF or the WA specific module or WASM. The WASM will always be the option for the NMA Ethical Review Scheme, both for internal or external HREC review, as it accompanies the Human Research Ethics Application or HRE, which is completed outside of RGS. The form is now available for completion by clicking on this link. Once one type of ethics form has been added, you cannot add a different one. If a form has been added in error, only the CPI or the CPI delegate can remove it to prevent accidental deletion. Thank you for watching this tutorial.